Hello friends, welcome to Sir classes. Today I am solving the Jam Physics paper 2019. Here the question number is 6. The question is, if phi is a function of x, y and z is a scalar function which satisfies the Laplace's equation, then the gradient of phi is what? Okay, so here the main thing is the Laplace's equation. Main thing is the Laplace's equation. So what is Laplace's equation? Laplace's equation is del square f is equals to 0. This del is Laplace's operator. This del is Laplace's operator and f is a scalar function. Okay. When this Laplace's operator and scalar function is multiplied, then this multiplication is equal to 0. This is the Laplace's equation. When we write the del dot, this is divergence. When we write only del, this is gradient. Okay, so here given the phi is a scalar function which satisfies the Laplace's equation, so we can write del square phi equals to 0. Okay, as it satisfies the Laplace's equation. So for E rotation we can write curl of any function is equals to 0. Rho is an arbitrary function. Okay, rho is an arbitrary function. So we can also write rho equals to gradient of phi. We can write this as, okay, so curl of gradient of phi is equals to 0, as curl of any gradient is equals to 0, so this is equals to 0. Okay, and for solenoidal divergence of rho equals to 0. Here divergence of gradient of phi is equals to del square phi is equals to 0. As this is the Laplace's form, as this is the multiplication with the Laplace's operator with the scalar function, so this is equals to 0. Okay, so the function phi is solenoidal and irrotational. Okay, so the option A is correct option. Okay, so that's all for today.